Very good evening to all of you. I am going to recite a poem, Golden Future Beholding Us. Transformation of the world is like a labor pain. Transformation of the world is like a labor pain, full of suffering and full of torment. Full of suffering and full of torment. Every moment unbearable and full of scream. Every moment unbearable and full of scream. But in the dense of darkness be perceived. But in the dense of darkness be perceived, sweet dawn is to come. Sweet dawn is to come, and bright night is to go. And bright night is to go, inspiring us to follow the immortal motto. Inspiring us to follow the immortal motto, miles to go and miles to go. Miles to go and miles to go. No rest till reaching the goal. No rest till reaching the goal, where every hand will have a work. Where every hand will have a work. No shade of tears. No shade of tears will be our fate. No shade of tears will be our fate. No shade of tears will be our fate. The earth soon will smile. The earth soon will smile like a young bride. The earth soon will smile like a young bride. No pollution, no irritation, no botheration. No pollution, no irritation, no botheration. Now wisdom will guide us. Now wisdom will guide us. Now wisdom will guide us. Intuition will ignite us. Now wisdom will guide us. Intuition will ignite us. Everyone will be ready. Everyone will be ready to cope up his plight. Everyone will be ready to cope up his plight, but will always be ready. But will always be ready to share one's acquired bright. But will always be ready to share one's acquired bright. Pure love will be emanating in all directions incessantly. Pure love will be emanating in all directions incessantly, where humanity will be blissful to meet divinity. Where humanity will be blissful to meet divinity, to go ahead on the path of immortality, to go ahead on the path of immortality. My dear audience, I would like to say, we must have zeal and zest. We must have confidence. And through this poem, I have tried to instill a bigger liveliness and energy in all of you. So kindly stand up to make the earth like a heaven. To make the earth like a heaven. I hope you will communicate with me, with my feeling, and you will share your views with me, and I shall be awaiting for it wholeheartedly. I shall be waiting for it wholeheartedly. Thank you very much.